So I'm here in Garden Grove, California, right off the 22 freeway on Harbor Boulevard, about 3.5 miles from Disneyland. Now I'm here to check out a joint where I hear this Mexican family put it all on the line to open and own their own restaurant and serve up real deal Mexican food. This is Sabroso.
Want a torta?
I can't say enough about how good everything is.
Chamorro ready to go.
Every bite is a magical bite. It's perfect.
Really has the sazon of the family. You really know
sazon.
The flavor of the family.
That would be the Munoz family, with veteran chef Papa Tito leading the charge. Have you always been this close of a family?
All the time. We always did a lot of things together.
Like taking the plunge and opening this joint in 2012 with a menu based on Mom's recipes.
This food is delicious, it's fresh, it's flavorful. You just can't go wrong with anything.
What's your favorite thing on the menu?
The tamale.
For tamale ready?
It's the best.
We're gonna make tamales.
Tamales.
I'm gonna do the pork.
Pork tamale.
So we're gonna put in a
Pork butt that's been just cut up.
cook it in the water, put some salt, some onions, Mexican oregano, garlic, and bay leaves.
And we're just gonna cook it down.
And cook it down.
The rest of this goes in there?
Yes. Mexican oregano,
Okay.
black pepper,
Black peppercorns, got it. The onion,
onions, garlic, cumin,
cumin seed, got it.
allspice. Then we're gonna put some water. Where's my...
Well, why don't we put the water from the peppers? What does sabroso mean?
Delicious.
Sabroso.
You get upset? We're gonna add the peppers. That's the guajillo and...
California, chili de árbol. Okay. Now we go to the hot oil.
Yes.
Going to strain it a little bit because there's some solid.
This is what you wanna hear.
Oh, it's sauce. My mouth and shit. The flavor jets are turning on. How long is that going to cook, Chef?
20 minutes.
And then we'll be ready to take and add it to the pork.
There you go.
So now we have the masa.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna put the salt.
Little baking soda.
Yeah.
To puff it a little bit.
Vegetable shortening.
Now we're going to put the pork stock into the masa.
Then we're gonna start mixing it up all together.
So I got the pork. Oh, yeah. Sabroso. Skins.
The masa.
Okay. You soften them in the water so they're pliable.
There you go.
Okay. Over.
Just roll it. There you go. You know how to make tamales.
I made a few tamales in my day. This is a tamale pot. See how that sits above the water as they cook. All right, Chef, we ready? Whoa!
Look at
That. They're delicious. The masa has great texture. The pork is delicious, not too spicy, and you got a good ratio. It's not a bunch of masa and a little bit of pork inside. This is like a nice 50-50.
Just the right amount of sauce.
Hot, but not too hot. It leaves a nice little bite in your mouth.
for tamale ready.